Let's work on this together. Let's work on this together. Use this when inviting a colleague to collaborate on a task. Could you help me with this report? Could you help me with this report? Use this when asking for assistance professionally. I'll complete my part today. I'll complete my part today. Use this when updating your team on your progress. Let's divide the tasks. Let's divide the tasks. Use this when assigning work among team members. I'll take care of the analysis. I'll take care of the analysis. Use this when accepting responsibility for a task. Can you review my work? Can you review my work? Use this when requesting feedback before submitting your work. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Use this when appreciating a colleague's help. We make a great team. We make a great team. Use this when recognizing successful teamwork. Let's discuss the next steps. Let's discuss the next steps. Use this when planning what to do after completing a task. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated. Use this when promising to share future progress. We need to meet the deadline. We need to meet the deadline. Use this when reminding the team about an important due date. I'll send the final version today. I'll send the final version today. Use this when informing others when they'll receive the completed work. Let's double-check the numbers. Let's double-check the numbers. Use this before submitting reports or presentations. Everything is on schedule. Everything is on schedule. Use this when the project is progressing as planned. We finished the project successfully. We finished the project successfully. Use this after completing a project. Let's solve this problem together. Let's solve this problem together. Use this when encouraging teamwork to overcome a challenge. I appreciate everyone's effort. I appreciate everyone's effort. Use this when thanking the team after completing a task. Communication is very important. Communication is very important. Use this when emphasizing teamwork and collaboration. Let's stay focused on our goal. Let's stay focused on our goal. Use this when motivating the team during a project. We're making good progress. We're making good progress. Use this when giving a positive project update. Please share your ideas. Please share your ideas. Use this when encouraging team members to contribute. I'm available if you need help. I'm available if you need help. Use this when offering support to a colleague. Let's celebrate our success. Let's celebrate our success. Use this after achieving a team goal. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your hard work. Use this to appreciate your team's dedication. Looking forward to working with you again. Looking forward to working with you again. Use this when ending a successful project or meeting positively.